I'm currently doing my Bachelor of Design, majoring in media design. The reason why I chose the University of Waikato is because of their facilities and their wide campus, and I really liked the nature in general in New Zealand. So mostly I think would be the hands-on, very practical activities that we do and assignments. Like for example, because now I'm doing media design, last year we did a bit of a short film with the other students. This year we did a handbook, mock handbook for the students here. Mostly just very hands-on assignments, which were really helpful. I consider university as, of course, work study, but also a playground for me to just experience and discover new things that I like as well. So not only I have my major, I can also discover a lot of other hobbies that I might be interested in or have passion in. I really enjoy my work as a TAP ambassador because it's usually just the main job is just replying to potential students and attending international events to help with international university students. But it's a very enjoyable experience because I get to talk to different ethnicities and just help students in general, which I really like doing. My advice is to just enjoy yourself. Don't stress out. Just make new friends and just engage in all of the international student trips that the school has to offer. And yeah, have fun. Hẹn gặp bạn ở trường Waikato. Bye.